Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today we are going to do unit number 7, a kite from your exam oriented litho. Unit number 6 we have completed in the last video and today we will do unit number 7. So let's read it and you all have to read with me. Understand? Take your litho and start reading. Come on. Write. What is this? W-R-I-T-E. Write the C-O-R-R-E-C-T. Correct. O-P-T-I-O-N. Option. Write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. Now, number 1. What does the child wish to be? In the poem, one child was there, right? So, what he wanted to become? वो क्या बनना चाहता था? Breeze, क्या वो हवा बनना चाहता था? What is the spelling of breeze? B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. R-A-I-N, rain. A-K-I-T-E, kite. और A-B-I-R-D, bird. Breeze, rain, a kite, a bird. What does the child wish to be? Child है वो क्या बनना चाहता था? A kite. So which option is correct? Option C. What does the breeze do? Breeze means हवा क्या करती है? Sail, वो तो water करता है ना, sail तो. Sits, क्या वो बैठती है? S-I-T-S, sits. No. Flies, F-L-I-E-S, flies, हवा को क्या पंख होते तो वो birds की तरह उड़ते हैं? No. ब्रीज को क्या बोलते हैं हम? ब्लोज. ब्रीज क्या करती है? ब्लो होती है, राइट? हवा है वो. हम बोलते हैं ना कि हवा आ रही है तो हवा उड़ रही है, हम ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे. हम क्या बोलेंगे? ब्लो. ब्लो होना. B-L-O-W-S, ब्लोज. What does the breeze do? Blows. Now number 3. What does the child wish to do with the breeze? चाइल्ड है वो ब्रीज के साथ क्या करना चाहता था? राइड अपॉन इट, क्या वो उसके ऊपर बैठना चाहता था? वॉक अपॉन इट, उसके ऊपर चलना चाहता था? सेल अपॉन इट, जैसे वाटर में बोट सेल करती है वैसे उस चाइल्ड को सेल करना था? या रन अपॉन इट, उसके ऊपर रन करना था? सो चाइल्ड वॉन्टेड टू राइड अपॉन इट, वो राइड करना चाहता था. जैसे हॉर्स राइडिंग होती है वैसे वो हवा के ऊपर बैठ के ऐसे राइडिंग करना चाहता था ब्रीज के साथ. सो विच ऑप्शन इज दिस? ऑप्शन ए. यू हैव टू राइट हियर ऑप्शन ए. नाउ व्हाट वाज सुंदरी? सुंदरी कौन था? ए, बोट, क्या वो एक बोट थी? बी इज ए बलून, क्या वो एक बलून थी? ए डॉग, क्या वो एक डॉग थी? या अ काइट, या वो एक काइट थी? सो व्हाट वाज सुंदरी? सुंदरी वाज अ काइट, राइट? सुंदरी वाज अ काइट. विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट? ऑप्शन सी. हियर यू हैव टू राइट ऑप्शन सी. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन. हु मेड सुंदरी? अब सुंदरी एक काइट तो थी बट उसने बनाया किसने बनाया था सुंदरी को? ए, बॉबी, B-O-B-B-Y, बॉबी. पोल्डी, टॉबी, नोडी. What was the name of that boy in the story? जो सुंदरी की स्टोरी थी उसमें उस बॉय का नाम क्या था? बॉबी. Who made सुंदरी? Bobby made सुंदरी, right? B-O-B-B-Y, Bobby. Here you have to write option A. Now next. Bobby called the kite सुंदरी because she was dash. अब देखो, आपने कभी सुंदरी ऐसा नाम तो सुना ही नहीं होगा, है ना? तो बॉबी था, वो सुंदरी क्यों कहता था काइट को? उसका रीजन क्या था? ए, कलरफुल, शी वॉज कलरफुल, क्या वो कलरफुल थी इसलिए वो उसको सुंदरी बोलता था? या SMILING, स्माइलिंग, वो हंसती थी इसलिए बोलता था? या बिग थी इसलिए बोलता था? या तो BEAUTI, ब्यूटी. FUL, फुल, या वो ब्यूटीफुल थी? Bobby called the kite Sundari because She was beautiful. How was she? वो बहुत beautiful थी. So which is the correct option? Option D. Which is the correct option? D. Here you have to tick mark. The next is, where did the Bobby take Sundari? Bobby था वो सुंदरी को कहाँ लेके गया? A school. क्या वो स्कूल लेके गया? A. See, which spelling is this? P-L-A-Y. Play. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. Playground. P-A-R-K. Park. और F-A-I-R. Fair. फेयर का मतलब क्या होता है? मेला, राइट? आप जाते हो ना फेयर में, बहुत मजे करते हो, वहां पे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट गेम्स होती है, फिर अलग अलग स्टॉल होते हैं, टॉयज होते हैं. तो बॉबी भी सुंदरी को कहाँ पे लेके गया? फेयर में लेके गया. नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज CIRCLE, सर्कल. THE, the. ODD, odd. WORD, word. INN, EACH, each. SET, set. Circle the odd word in each set. Means here 4 words are given. So from these 4 words, 1 word is different. एक word जो है वो different है. So what you have to do? You have to do circle in that. HIDE, hide. You have to repeat. Okay, आपको भी क्या करना है? साथ साथ read करना है. Come on, read it. HIDE, hide. SIDE, side. RIDE, ride. SAID, said. So here we can see the last 3 letters are same. Only in this word the letters are different. So this is odd. Now the next one. DASH dash. FISH fish. WISH wish. DISH dish. So see here, ISH, ISH, ISH. In these 3 words, same letters are given at last. But here ASH is given. So this is odd. You have to put circle. BLOW, blow. FLOW, flow. FISH, fish. SLOW, slow. Now see over here. LOW. Here also LOW. Here also LOW. In these 3 words, same letters. This is only different. Which word? Fish. Now KITE, kite. BITE, bite. BALL, ball. SITE, sight. So here ITE, ITE and ITE. In this 3, same letters are given. Only this word is different in sound also. See, ite, ite, ite. ऐसा हम लास्ट में बोल रहे हैं ना, क आइट, ब आइट, स आइट. बट बोल में कुछ आइट तो आया ही नहीं. सो दिस इज ऑड. नाउ डांस. ANCE, राइट? हैंड्स. हियर ENCE. चांस. ANCE. स्टैंस. ANCE. Only here E is given. See, this you have to see carefully. ये आपको अच्छे से देखना है, right? So which is the different word? This one. ये word जो है वो different है. Now number 3. Look at the pictures and write their names with the help of the words given in the box. So you have to read the words, then identify the picture, and after that you have to write. So first of all, we will read all the spellings, and what you have to do, you also read the spelling with me. Come on. The first is DRUM, drum. SHIRT, shirt. SPOON, spoon. HORSE, horse. DUCK, duck. DOOR, door, W-I-N-D, wind, S-H-O-E-S, shoes, B-double-L, bell, G-R-A-S-S, grass, S-T-A-R, star, C-A-K-E, cake. So these all words are given. The first is, which picture is this? Star. And the spelling of star is given here, S-T-A-R, star. So you can tick mark. आप tick करके वो spelling यहाँ पे लिख लो. What is this? Door. What is the spelling of door? D-O-O-R, door. Right? Here it is. What is this? This is the picture of drum. The spelling of drum is D-R-U-M, drum. Here it is given, the first one, right? What is given? D-R-U-M, drum. Now see this picture. What can you see in this picture? One tree is bent, right? Because of this. ये क्या हो रहा है? Wind, right? जब पवन आता है तो trees जो है वो थोड़े से bend हो जाते हैं इसकी तरफ. So you have to see this picture. आपको ये देखना है कि ये क्या है. ये wind है. W-I-N-D, wind. Now see, which picture is this? ये किसका picture है? This is a duck. And what is the spelling of duck? D-U-C-K, duck. Here also you can see spelling of duck. So you can do tick marks, right? Now the next picture. Which picture is this? It is a cake, right? Do you like cake? We all like cake very much. So do you know the spelling of cake? C-A-K-E, cake. You have to learn the spelling also. And where is here? It last. Let's read again. C-A-K-E, cake. After that, which picture is this? This is a bell. What is the spelling of bell? B-E-double-L, bell. And here it is given, so you can tick mark. Now, what is this? S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Which picture is this? Shirt. And what is the spelling of shirt? S-H-I-R-T, shirt. And here it is spelling of shirt. One by one you can do tick mark also. When you have lots of spellings, lots of options, at that time what you can do? Those spellings or those answers are written, you can strike out or you can do underline or you can do tick. Now what is this? This is a spoon. And the spelling of spoon is S-P-O-O-N, spoon. And here, where is it is? Here, S-P-O-O-N, spoon. After that, S-H-O-E-S, shoes. What is this? Shoes. The spelling of shoes, S-H-O-E-S. Now, here it is S-H-O-E-S, shoes. After that, what is this? Which animal is this? Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. So you can do tick mark over there. And what is this? Grass. This is the picture of grass. G-R-A-S-S, grass. So both the spellings together will strike out. See, horse and grass. Understand? So you have to read and learn all the spellings carefully. ये जो सारे स्पेलिंग्स है ना वो आपको अच्छे से रीड करने हैं. लेट्स रीड अगेन. सी S-T-A-R, star. 2 or 3 times you can speak. S-T-A-R, star. D-O-O-R, door. D-R-U-M, drum. After that, W-I-N-D, wind. D-U-C-K, duck. C-A-K-E, cake. B-E-double-L, bell. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. H-O-R-S-E, horse. G-R-A-S-S, grass. So today we have completed unit number 7 in your exam oriented litho, and you have to complete it with good handwriting. Understand? Thank you.